The night from Saint Max, we are here in the around the zone of restaurant and bars. Yeah, we are with our desert player. Today is impressive, is hot like hell. I just have the new suite from cycling. You can see very strange and yeah, modification of this bike. I just set up all the bags and they fit perfectly. I treat them with a special spray, make them hydro water resistant, okay, and waterproof, kind of. When rain, I just try with water, throw the water on it, and the water just go away, very fast. So there is no problem for have again everything wet. Anyway, I always, when you go by packing, put all your things you don't want to be wet or touch water in other bags inside your backpacking is the best solution you can do. And also you can see the overview of this bike is quite pretty nice. I just need to make a little more tool modification. I need to recable everything because now the handlebar is higher, is really more comfortable and more drivable, and also cable are too short now, so is a problem. And also I need if I do it I will change the handlebar tape with the brown one, okay? Just I will change also this probably if the one arrive is good, okay? Because this one seems good. If the one matte, this color will be good, I will change it. Okay, thank you very much for following me. Subscribe, like, share, and follow the channel. Here we have a nice guy, don't care about anything, and pass during the video, but it's the minimum here, Let's see. Next time I take you to me. Next time when I have time, I take you on the boat, okay? Next one on the next video. So remember to subscribe, like, share, and follow the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.